Hello, friends. Welcome back. How are you all? Friends, let's see what's going on in your person's life and what they are thinking right now, and what's going on between you and your third party and and your person. At present, Nine of Cups, Ten of Pentacles, and Empress card is coming. Definitely, your person is in a happy space right now. I feel your person is in a happy space. They feel like they have got a wish fulfillment or something like that, because some celebration or something, this kind of say, or parties is going on in your person's house. I think so, some kind of celebration I definitely see, and because of they are enjoying, or maybe a birth of some business planned, or some birth of a job, or a birth of a some child in their house. Because of that, they are happy, in a happy space. Your person is in completely happy space right now. They are enjoying, and they are having fun, and they are having good life at present, you can say that. Yeah, definitely. The person is in a happy space completely, and this King of Knight of Cups, I definitely see some kind of offer coming from a person's side, or maybe they are planning or thinking of sending you flowers. Definitely, they have this kind of thoughts, because Six of Cups is coming. So definitely think of returning back to you. Six of Cups means the person wants to return to a past lover, or the past life. This kind of, maybe they feel maybe feeling nostalgic right now, because thinking about you, they how you used to send them flowers, or used to pamper them. That kind of thinking that person is definitely having, because they're thinking a lot. Just see, this person is thinking so much about past, and all those memories continuously playing in their mind. But they are in a happy space right now. They are happy, and they are feeling nostalgic about thinking about you. Definitely they are planning something, because the Seven of Swords is coming. Your person is thinking a lot, or they may be planning something, I don't know. But this kind of swords energy, the person is little deceptive also. So I feel they are little deceptive at present, and they are not completely changed, you can say that. They are little deceptive. They want you to come back, but they don't want, they want you to chase them, and continuously pamper them, but they don't want to give you anything in return. That's the thing. This kind of source energies person is little deceptive. At present they are deceptive. They are not coming in their truth. They are not ready to accept the truth that they love you, or they have that kind of love for you. They are not ready to accept that thing at present. Because of that, they are so deceptive right now. They are definitely trying to search answers. Seven of Wands, they are defensive also at present. They are trying to search answer. What is this relationship? Why I am not able to forget this person? Why this person is continuously playing in my mind? But they are not ready to accept this fact actually. And it's the Seven of Swords. The Seven of Swords says the person is little deceptive, and so this deceptive energy is not helping them to make a decision, or not helping them to see the broader picture of you, how you are a person, and how, what kind of person you are. Definitely they are not able to see that. And definitely I think this is your energy, because you are thinking a lot, and you are praying a lot, that you get married to your person, and you're watching a lot of tarot cards, and you're even consulting some tarot card readers or something like that. I feel, to know whether you will get married with this person, or will have a long term commitment with this person. This is your energy, I feel, because you are thinking a lot, and you're praying a lot. You want this happy marriage, long term relationship with this person, and you definitely are asking so many people about it, or you are consulting tarot card readers or astrologers, something kind of, this kind of feeling I am having. Definitely you are feeling this way. But the person is a very happy space, but you need to keep a lot of strength, because the spirits are asking you to have strength at present, because the person is still has not come into full realization that they love you, and they are not accepting that truth. So you have to keep the strength, because the person is not in a mood to take action at all. With the Page of Wands, just see how the person is happy go lucky. They are enjoying their family life, or they are enjoying their business life, whatever they are having parties and all, they are enjoying. But they will definitely go through a big transformation. I see death or rebirth, so I definitely see a big change and coming in your person's life. But when the universe will interfere, when universe, if your person is not going to change himself, he or she is not going to change himself, the universe will take action, and when the universe will take action, it will be very drastic, and the person will have to go through a way major transformation in his or her life. They have to go, because transformation card is a person changes completely, transforms completely. Whatever situation they are at right now, they will change their thinking process, everything will change, and that has to change, because universe wants to change them, because they are a good soul, but they don't know what they are doing because of their past life karmic things and karmic baggage. They are behaving in this way. So to abolish that, to complete that completely, the universe has to interfere, and the person has to go through major changes. I feel so a person has to go through changes. See, your person definitely wants to give commitment to you. This is a hidden motive. They don't want to tell anyone that they love you or they want long term commitment with you. This is the hidden motive inside somewhere, but they are not telling anyone about it, because they are traveling. I told you that they are traveling a lot, or they are having parties or family, some gathering, because I see there are so many flowers around their house. So definitely I feel some kind of celebration in their house, or so any kind of on any marriage in their house of their cousins or their family members. I feel that because of that they are quite busy in that, and because of that also they are thinking about commitment right now, because when they see other people getting married, so they feel I should also get married, or what, this kind of feeling is definitely going on. This is the hidden motive. Definitely they want commitment, they want commitment in life, they want a person whom with they can spend their life for long. They want that kind of thing, but they are not telling this thing to anyone, because at present they are in their different mood only, enjoyment mood and all this kind of mood a person is. They are not telling anyone what is in their mind and what is in their heart. They are not letting know anyone, not even single person they are telling about their feelings. This is the hidden motives. But I see some kind of bad health. I see in the future, maybe in a recent past, something like someone must be not in a good health in your person's house, I feel, or maybe a person is person will fail ill or something like that. I don't know, but we will get some message of this kind, that your person is not feeling well, or someone in your person's house is not well. This kind of message you may receive, but at present the high honor card is coming in reverse. So you are not having that much respect for your person that you has to have in the past, or your person is not having that kind of respect for you at present, the way you should receive that respect. That I feel definitely. So please don't disturb your person, because he or she definitely will go through a major transformation, and universe will have to interfere. This person himself doesn't know what he wants in life. Actually, this is a hidden motive. They don't know what to do, what not to do, because of the karmic baggage. A person has karmic baggage from past life, and they don't know what to do. Then universe interferes, then only they realize what they have to do. So have patience and be strong. Okay, thanks friends for watching.